A Pirate's Legacy. Sailing the Seven Seas. Chapter 2. Skull Cove's Peril. The cave's damp walls were adorned with ancient carvings, telling stories of forgotten battles and lost treasures. Alex's fingers traced the intricate patterns, trying to decipher their meaning. The crew's footsteps echoed in the darkness as they ventured deeper into the heart of the island. Suddenly, a trap sprung, triggering a cascade of falling rocks and closing off their exit. Panic swept through the crew. But Alex's determination remained unshaken. They knew they had to find another way out and continue their quest. Navigating through treacherous tunnels, Alex and their crew encountered more traps and obstacles. Falling into a hidden pit, they narrowly escaped a deadly spike trap, their hearts pounding with adrenaline. Every step was a test of courage and quick thinking. A distant glimmer caught their eye as they ventured deeper into the labyrinthine cave system. They had found it, the legendary skull of the lost captain, a fabled artifact said to hold the key to the next island on their journey. With cautious excitement, they retrieved the skull, feeling the weight of history in their hands. As they made their way back to the surface, the crew faced one final challenge, a massive boulder blocking their path. Time seemed to slow as Alex rallied their crew, using their combined strength to push against the immovable obstacle. With a final burst of energy, the boulder gave way, allowing them to escape Skull Cove's treacherous grasp. Chapter 2 finishes here. See you guys in Chapter 3. Must like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.